Got it here, Milwaukee Pill electric chainsaw, a tiny little thing. So the only thing we gotta do is put chain oil, bar oil, whatever. So I got that here, all season bar and chain oil. That should be enough, especially for what I be using for. I'm only gonna put it to the test. I will check oil every battery charge, so that way you're not gonna burn it up. Looks like almost overfilled a little bit. Oh well, no big deal, happens. Then I'm just gonna put the battery in, pop it in, and check this out. This thing is pretty cool. It has a tool over here, so in case you need to readjust it, put a new chain in, you got the tool. That is kind of cool. Never seen that before when it's connected to the chain. And there is adjust, and also you can take this cover off. And it's obviously going to be like a regular chainsaw, so you want to hold it like this and ooh, smooth. I like it. So also you can do it with the left hand because you have both bottoms right here. Pretty nice. Okay, let's go cut something up and see what it's going to look like. Easy, check this out. There's a pretty thick log, let's see how it does. That's pretty good. Do another one over here. Yeah. Push it too hard. One more time. This is just satisfying. It sits too. It's so good. Beautiful. And one more time. Oh. Wow, fast. Check this out. Oh, kickback. You see? So you wanna cut it from this angle only. Boom. And by the way, you wanna hold two hands this way. That's the safest way to do it. Like this one right here. So I could trim up all that wood pretty easily. Let's see what it can do to a pallet. Not bad. One more time. This is perfect to break up pallets and boards, to burn them down and stuff for firewood. Nice. And one more time, and we're gonna go to this newer pallet. Sweet. Real quickly, these two things. The battery died. Nope. Let's see how well it's going to cut this really thick board right here. Oh yeah. Oh, got stuck. I didn't charge it all the way, but as you can see, this thing is powerful. It's kind of getting stuck over there or something. Yeah, it's out of juice now. I didn't charge it all the way, but as you can see, this thing is pretty powerful. Look, what is it? 2x2 wood over here, cut it pretty easily.